Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about one of the biggest names in mobile esports, Mohamed Light, the Egyptian Clash Royale prodigy, who's dominated the global scene for years. But aside from his incredible gaming skills, one question fans keep asking online is Mohamed Light gay? Let's take a closer look. Mohamed Light, whose full name is Mohammed Tariq, was born in Egypt in 2004. From a young age, he had a deep passion for gaming, and his journey began with mobile titles before he became a household name in the Clash Royale community. Growing up, his focus was always on mastering strategy, timing, and precision in the game. Mohamed Light's rise to fame was nothing short of incredible. He became one of the most dominant Clash Royale players in history, winning multiple global championships and representing Egypt on the world stage. His calm personality and strategic mindset earned him fans from all over the world, making him a role model for young gamers. As his fame grew, some fans began asking questions about Mohamed Light's personal life, particularly his sexuality. However, Mohamed Light has never publicly stated that he is gay, nor has he discussed any details about his relationships. The rumors circulating online are purely fan speculation, with no verified evidence or confirmation from him. As of now, Mohamed Light remains focused entirely on his esports career. He continues to compete at the highest levels of Clash Royale and is widely considered one of the best players the game has ever seen. He maintains a low profile outside of gaming and doesn't share much about his private life. So, is Mohamed Light gay? There's no public confirmation or evidence that he is. Mohamed has chosen to keep his personal life private, and that's perfectly okay. What we do know is that he's a gaming legend whose skills and dedication have inspired millions.